Hey, what's up, Ankr Coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Ankr Coin. So, what's the current price of Ankr Coin? What's the price in so in the Ankr Coin, my friends? And you know what? The people ask me questions about Ankr Coin, that when will the price of Ankr Coin increase? So, finally, friends, in this video, I will show you. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. It is time. First of all, we look at the latest update of Ankr Coin, and after that we decide that when will the next move and when will the Ankr Coin start pumping, my friends. The latest price of the Ankr Coin this time in the market is 0.086414 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the Ankr Coin in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Ankr Coin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is going positive, and only the last 1 weekend pricing is negative. Only the last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Ankr Coin. From the price chart, everyone can easily understand that what is the perfect time, as the best time to buy, sell or hold, and how you can save yourself from loss, my friends. At this time, you can see here that the price of the Ankr Coin is completely going down. You can see here, my friends, the price is going down. So that is why from this chart, everyone can understand that you are in the loss. Ankr Coin holders, you are completely in the loss from the previous last 1 month. So that is why, first of all, I want to recommend for everyone to it's time to hold entertianment, my friends. On the other side, my prediction about Ankr Coin in this time is going positive, because, my friends, personally, I believe that after a falls there is a jump. And now the Ankr Coin price is completely fast down in the previous time, so absolutely it's time to take a pump, my friends, because the previous time the price is very barely fast down. So I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, and it's time to pump, my friends. So don't miss this pump of Ankr Coin, my friends. And on the other side, the price change is also negative 38.01%. so that's mean that you are in the loss, my friends. I'm sorry to say that, but that's the reality of the Ankr Coin. In this time, you know what, the price of the Ankr Coin is fast down from 0.16 USD dollar to 0.08 USD dollar, my friends. So my prediction is positive. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Ankr Coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.